Which town has a population of only one person? And is there any road that sings? And how much time does it take for the airbags of our cars to inflate? Friends, this is Lexi, and in this video, you are going to know some very interesting facts from my channel, Amazeme. Let's start! Fact number 17. Britain's Secret Intelligence Service once hacked an Al-Qaeda website and replaced the bomb instructions with a cupcake recipe. Fact number 16. There's an American town with a population of 1. Monowi, Nebraska is the only town in the United States with an official population of 1 person. Elsie Eiler is 87 years old. Yes, she owes taxes to herself. She's employed as the village's mayor, librarian, and bartender. Fact number 15. In 2012, a man wore 60 shirts and 9 pairs of jeans on an 11.5-hour flight from China to Africa because he didn't want to pay the extra baggage fee. Though hilarious, we don't recommend it. Fact number 14. A town in Washington has a treetop bridge over a busy road that's just big enough for squirrels. It's called the Nutty Narrows Bridge. In the same way, there's a bridge like that in the Netherlands. A squirrel bridge is a construction which enables small animals, especially squirrels and martens, to safely cross busy roadways. The bridges are a measure for wildlife management and natural habitat preservation, and serve the function of both animal welfare and accident prevention. Fact number 13. We all have different types of bad habits which we want to leave. But many times, we feel that if someone will stop me from doing it, I will do it. Without someone's opposition, we don't stop our bad habits. Manish Sethi, a computer programmer, was addicted to Facebook. He once hired a woman at $8 an hour to slap him in the face every time he tried checking Facebook during working hours. Fact number 12. Go to hell. What do you do when someone tells you this? Go to hell. If you become angry by listening to this, you're wrong. They might just want to send you on holidays. They don't want to hurt you by saying go to hell. They want to send you to this place. There's a village in southern Norway actually named Hell. And get this, every winter, it freezes over. Fact number 11. There's a highway in Lancaster, California that plays the William Tell Overture, or the theme from The Lone Ranger, whenever cars drive over it at 55 miles per hour. Yes, roads that sing. Fact number 10. Dolly Parton once entered a celebrity lookalike contest without revealing her true identity at a club in San Francisco. Fact number 9. Texting while driving increases the chances of a crash by 23 times. So it is advisable to keep your phones in your pocket or use Google Maps while driving. No messengers. Fact number. If you eat enough carrots, about 3 large carrots a day for several weeks, it increases the beta-carotene in your blood and could turn your skin orange. Fact number. When high-heeled shoes first came into fashion in the 10th century, they were intended for men. It wasn't until the 18th century that more women wore high heels than men. Fact number 6. There's a flower in the rainforests of Central and South America that resembles a puckering mouth covered in lipstick. It is called Psychotria elata. Fact number. Cows don't like Willie Nelson. A dairy cow will produce up to 3% more milk when listening to music. But they don't like country music, especially Willie Nelson. They need something with a good beat. Fact number. Saturn and Jupiter are gas giant planets that produce a truly unique form of weather. Recently, scientists discovered that there's plenty of carbon in these atmospheres. When carbon soot gets hit by lightning, it hardens into graphite and falls downward, where the pressure of the atmosphere hardens it further, until it becomes a diamond. Storms on these planets may literally rain diamonds as big as a centimeter across. Fact number. Phubbing is a term which describes the behavior of a person who ignores everything around him or her, including human beings, due to the use of the mobile phone. Fact number 2. The average Bugatti customer has about 84 cars, 3 jets, and 1 yacht. Fact number 3. Pistanthrophobia is the fear of trusting people due to bad past experiences. And one amazing bonus fact. Our car airbags inflate in just 30 milliseconds. So don't doubt them. And also try not to experience them. So friends, which of these facts amazed you? Please mention in the comment box. Please hit a like button and also subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this.